So, good morning, Wendell. I'm your counselor, and today we are going with the drug history questionnaire that will help in your recovery. So, are you comfortable with me?
Yeah.
So, let's start. So, I'm going with some name of the drug types, and you have to know me that are you using these drug types in your past 12 months or not? Okay.
Okay.
So first of all, we are going with the alcohol. Are you used it in your past 12 month?
Yes.
Okay. So next one is cocaine or crack. Are you used in your past 12 months?
No.
Okay. So next one is amphetamines. Are you used it in past 12 months?
Yes.
Okay. So what about cannabis? Are you used in past 12 months?
Yes.
Okay. So next one is benzodiazepines. Are you used in past 12 months?
No.
Okay. So next one is barbiturates. Are you used in past 12 months?
No.
Okay. So next one is heroin and opium. Are you used in past 12 months?
No.
Okay. So next one is prescription opioids. Are you used in past 12 months?
No.
Okay. So next one is over-the-counter codeine preparations. Are you use this product in your past 12 months?
No.
Okay. So what about hallucinogens? Are you used in past 12 months?
No.
Okay. So next one is glue or other inhalants. Are you using past 12 months?
No.
Okay. So the next one is tobacco. Are you using past 12 months?
Yes.
Okay. So the last but not least is your other psychoactive drugs. Are you using past 12 months?
No.
Okay. So now we are going with those drug types that are used by you in your past 12 months. So first of all, we are going with the alcohol. So my question is, like in your past 90 days, how many days you use it?
Actually, I am not sure. I last drank 2 days ago. I drink probably 3 to 5 times a week, probably closer to times a week. And I am not sure what that works out to in 90 days. If counselor clarifies me well,
Yeah.
my first drink was at age of 30, and I like the feeling. I drink a lot in my teens and when I was partying, and I drink about 7 to 10 years. And when I do drink, probably closer to 10. I have been drinking like this for about 4 years since I stopped using meth at the time period. Over time. It's
Okay, so as I noted, you said that 52 days, 52 of days used in past 90 days. And if we talk about the last use, then it was 2 days ago. Or if we talk about the amount that you use each day in 90 days, then it's a 7 to 10 beer. And if we talk about the clinical comments, then as you said that your first drink is at the age of 13.
yeah.
So that's it about alcohol. So next one is amphetamines. Please tell about amphetamines.
My first use of macro was when I was 17,
Hmm.
and now I don't use it as much as I did in the past. I was using it pretty regularly from when I was 21 to about 26 years ago, and I stopped using it for almost 2 years because I was feeling really irritated, and I had the shakes, and I was really irritable. So I also sometimes felt really paranoid and was seeing and hearing things that were not there. I started using again when I was 28. I have been using it occasionally now, mostly on weekends. I last used it about 2 weeks ago. I think I may have used about 20 times in the I use about half a gram to a gram, half gram to a gram each time I use it. And I sometimes smoke it, and other times I snort it.
Okay, so the summary is that like in your 90 days you use 20 days as this product amphetamines, and if we talk about the last use, then it was like 4 days ago. And if we talk about the amount, particular amount, then it was like a half gram. And if we talk about the clinical comments, as you said, yet your first drink is like at the age of 17 and you use it occasionally.
Yeah,
Am I correct?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so next one is cannabis, hash, weed, grass, pot, marijuana. So give some information about that.
Actually, I smoke up about 4 to 6 times a week. Some weeks it will be 4 times, others 5 or 6. So I guess maybe 65 times in the last 90 days. The last time I smoked was last night, and it helps me sleep. I usually use a water bomb or a vaporizer. I use about half gram a day. I started using when I was about 15. It's been pretty much the same since I started.
Okay, so that's good. As I noted that if we talk about the past days, then it was like 65 days in your past 90 days. And if we talk about the last use, then it was like 4 days ago. And like the amount of the cannabis is same as the amphetamines, half gram a day. And about clinical comments, it was like you smoke 4 to 6 times in a day, and use that as like a vaporizer, or your first inhale or intake is at the age of 15 years.
Yeah.
Okay, so next one is tobacco. So let me know about tobacco.
Actually, I don't really smoke as much anymore. I smoked every day when I was an older teenager. I sometimes smoke poppers and smoke cigarettes on the weekends, mostly when I am drinking. And I maybe smoked 25 times in the past 3 months, about maybe 10 cigarettes on the weekend days.
Okay, so the information that I collect is that like in your past 90 days you used it as a 25 days, and if we talk about the last use, then it was like more than a month ago. And if we talk about the typical amount, then as you said that you use 10 cigarettes on and weekends. And if we talk about the clinical comment, then you said that you start when you was a like a older teenager, and use it as a smoke poppers with weed, and sometimes with when drinking. Is that am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so these some information that I collect from you with the help of drug history questionnaire. So we will hope that it will like help in your recovery. So thank you, Wendell.